Dollar index daily time frame. Price is still trading at 105 horizontal resistance. It is sideways, and this weak price action completely depends on CPI. Three possibility: again sideways, up or down. But one thing is sure, you will see big action in everything. So if Dow is fat triggered after CPI, then it will go down and support 103, 50% retracement. Doubt on hawkish Fed. If that happen, then dollar will go up. So this week, either price reverse from 105 retest 103, or it will break out 106 level, next upside target 109. If you see H4 time frame, then first wave W, wave X triangle correction, and this final wave Y have retraced 50% exactly at 105.604. So this is your next big horizontal resistance on H4 time frame. If price goes up that level, then after this long correction, dollar can easily break out 106. So this entire area 105.604 to .876 is your big resistance zone. If trend reversal comes after CPI, then it will make new lower low. If you see GBPUSD, it went up, made AVC, zigzag correction, wave WXY. Now this entire move from top to bottom have retraced 61%, and you can see nice hammer in fifth zone between 50 and 61% retracement. So this 21860Y, this is your big horizontal support level. Above this level, GBPUSD is bullish. You can expect new higher high above 124. If dollar becomes strong again, then this level will break out and it will make new lower low. Here GBPUSD giving you clear technical setup, clear support and resistance. So below 1.21 GBPUSD bearish, you have hammer candlestick closing on Friday. Above 1.21 level, it is bullish, and target is new higher high. AUD USD daily time frame. First of all, this yellow trend line is big dynamic support level, and this horizontal line big horizontal resistance near .65. Again, it depends on CPI, dollar direction. If it goes up, then it will break out this horizontal resistance in one attempt, and this can be your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, because you have CPI and US China political meeting. So for new entry, either buy on retest of yellow line or during breakout if CPI give you clear confirmation. USDCAD daily time frame, clear support and resistance. You can see price dancing between horizontal support and resistance, up and down, no breakout. But this week, because of two big news, you will see clear breakout either of 138 or below 136. And if that happen, a breakout come, then wait for retest, then you buy, or dollar become weak, and if it make inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, then on breakout of neckline and static horizontal support level, you can sell or retest and keep selling. USD CHF daily time frame. This last wave have retraced 50%. Since then it is up, but this white trend line is your big dynamic resistance level, and this can be your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. If dollar is still bullish, and it is going up, then this pair can make big inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. 50% retracement already completed, that's mean 88, 99.3. This is your big horizontal support level. Wait for breakout of this trend line, then on retest, then Y, and you can target retest of this triple top. But below this white line, USD is bearish. USD JPY daily time frame price testing last resistance 151. If it goes above this level and CPI become weak, then it can go down instantly and in vertical line. But one thing you are not seeing, if CPI come hot, Fed FOMC is already hawkish, member and chair both give hawkish speech, then market will do hawkish trading after CPI. Immediately this level will break out. FOMC change their tone after that or not, but I think BOJ will do some magical thing again if this pair goes above 151. If you remember that 1 year ago, same CPI number, dollar was collapsed in vertical line and all these central bank were selling dollar. Same thing happening right now. BOE, ECB and BOJ. These three central banks are running out of dollar. They are selling dollar right now. So if price goes above 151, then you can sell, and until trend reversal become clear, then you can go with big lot size. Because right now both central banks are directly talking about rate cut and rate hike. GBPUSD H4 time frame after 50% retracement, this pair is going up and price is still trading below 100% projection for wave Y, and this can be your ABC flat correction. If breakout come upside, then on 186 level this can be your next upside target. So because of weak or strong CPI, so weak CPI number is good for BOJ. If CPI comes strong and BOJ do some magical thing, JPY become strong, then this pair can go down. So CPI news will also affect this GBPJPY pair. Silver daily time frame price first made 61% retracement, then Fed almost exploded. They changed their tone instantly. Now this last wave has made 50% retracement. Plus this is testing strong horizontal support level. And your big news this week, if this support level survive 22.19 fib level and horizontal support, then silver will explode and this will be your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, and target will be $26. Even if this level breakout goes down, then use small size but buy, because their rate hike drama cannot continue in 2024. It is time to fight against the Fed. And if you get small entry in silver on this big level compared to gold, gold is not trading at a strong support, neither a big fib level, while silver right now giving a big technical support level to buying. Now Bitcoin daily time frame, this is your giant AVC flat correction. You can call it a WXY wave, and right now we are next impulsive wave, and 100% projection at 4476. Price is not there, so correction has not begun, and 5 impulsive wave are almost complete. Like I said last week, it will do up and down movement. But at current price, Bitcoin is going up. There is huge form of buying in Bitcoin, and nobody talking about gold since it break out our 32k. All attention is right now is Bitcoin. Where Bitcoin will go next? So this was your decreasing rate hike size 75 to 20, your temporary QE. And if you see news for Bitcoin, they have ETF narrative. For gold, they have war narrative. But real reason behind Bitcoin is speculation on next QE. They will print money again, and before this happen, Bitcoin is already up. Or somehow magically, if they start directly QE, then Bitcoin will explode more. So if it make correction goes down, then wait for retracement, buy again. And weekly time frame, my target was 61% retracement, 48,555. Before that it can make correction, but it will not stop before 48k. Or because of CPI, Fed explode again, then it can directly go to 48k. If you see SP 500 daily time frame, then price is testing last few retracement 61%, 44.14. This is last resistance. Once it break out, they cannot hide Fed pivot. It is happening, and they have to obviously say forget rate hike, rate cut is coming. That's why Fed said last week close the F door. In that speech, Fed was hawkish. FOMC member like Dali, they are hawkish. She is clearly saying one more rate hike. Despite that, you can see blue candlestick on Friday. Because I think CPI come down or up, in both case, Fed will be dovish. And your Fed pivot has already happened. Just wait for economic indicator. Once that happen, it can easily break out 4600. And this is your last resistance 44.14. If it make correction, then correction will be big because of CPI, but you can buy, and inverted head and shoulder chart pattern is possible. And if you see more closely on NASDAQ daily time frame, then this trend line tested multiple times. You can see clear breakout, small retest, and big blue candlestick. It is flying and trend line clear breakout. So it can easily retest 16,000 after CPI news this week. Then we will decide where it will go next. Oil daily time frame, final wave Y retested $74 last week. Counter trend correction has begun. Your war has unwinding has over. And if you see H4 time frame, then this 81 is your next big resistance, because you can see wave Y has hit 100% projection. So until price make counter trend correction, retest 81, there is no trend. So 74 big support level and 81 big resistance. One more sideways correction in oil. Because after this vertical action in SP 500 and that interview from Fed Dali and earthquake comment from Fed Waller, I do not believe there one more rate hike drama. Hike and rate cut pricing is happening.